two types of Isan folk weaving. It's a fabric woven from cotton and silk fibers. Macrame cloth is a fabric that is woven to create pattern by tie-dyeing. It will be difficult depending on the complexity of pattern and color. The tie must be skilled in patterns and color combinations. They are both silk and cotton wool. Popularly worn with hung laugh. Coat is commonly used to cover the shoulders. A small cloth, the pattern is that the main pattern is usually a rhombus, which is the basic structure of fabric pattern. The color on Plewa cloth was originally a dark red background dyed with shellac. There are yellow, blue, white, and dark green stripes throughout the canvas. Alternating each row, the pattern on Plewa wool fabric consists of 3 parts. The main pattern is large horizontal uniform pattern Y. One piece of Plewa has approximately 30 rows of main patterns, such as Nak pattern forearm, and the main components of the main pattern are outer strip, inner strip, and clear strip. The outside pattern is triangle gill. There is pattern on half of canvas. The inner weave is the center of main weave in the rhombus across wide of fabric. The chain patterns form in the top row of square from each line, having the center of the main pattern as the crease of chain pattern.